Hey, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to review the agarbattis which I've got from Pankudeep. So the reason why I'm reviewing this is very good when it comes to smell, and also the product is very good when compared to the other products in the market. So this shop is situated in the southern part of India, which is in Salem. So we have the box which has been delivered to me. So let me just open that box and show you what all I've got. To talk about this box, they have packed it well. They have wrapped it with paper and the tape. I have removed that, and I'm just gonna open this box and show you what all is inside this. So when I open this box, the smell is really nice, and it's very aromatic. So I've got the box open. Let me just show you one by one. So this is the agarbattis which I've got from Pankudeep. Here is the name, and it's a premium incense sticks. So in this box, this is 250 grams box. So the MRP here is 229, but we get it for 180 rupees, and it has too many flavors, or too many. I'll just show it to you. So each packet has around 2, 4, 6, 8 agarbattis, and the moment I open this, I can feel that smell. It is very nice, and you have different colors in this. So this is my second order from Pankudeep. I have already ordered once the same agarbattis, and it was really nice, and the smell lasts long actually when compared to other products in the market, and it's pretty cheap also, I would say. And this Pankudeep is a shop which is owned by a person in Salem. So he has a lot of products, not only this agarbattis. He has also he has got the jumbo cup sambrani, and computer sambrani. Also they have homemade natural soaps, sandalwood powder paste, deodorant, perfumes, attar. So attar, I got one previously, and it lasts for minimum 6 hours, I would say, and it is very nice. Now they have got the phenol, floor cleaner, toilet cleaner, washing powder, dishwash, organic household products, and also they've got the agarbatti stand. So to talk about this, I've got this agarbatti, and this is very nice. So I would suggest you to just get one box and see how it is, rather than showing it on a video, or explaining it of how it is. You can just order the agarbatti from Pankudeep. I'll just share the WhatsApp number of that person in the link. Just WhatsApp him, and also is along with your address, so he can deliver it to you. Maximum it will take a week to get delivered. And also the smell, as I said, it is very nice, and it lasts long. So previously I've got the same packet, and it lasted for minimum 2 months for me if I use 2 or 3 per day maximum. So this is very nice. And also this time I have got the dish wash liquid from him. So this is 100% organic. It has a lemon extract. So the MRP is 200 here, but you can get it less, not a problem. So you can just drop him a message in WhatsApp so that he can give you the rates. And also I've got the floor cleaner. So this is a handmade floor cleaner. This is also 100% organic. So it is safe on tiles, grout, marble, granite. You can use it. I have never tried this, but I can try and give a information on the description for you. So I've got the sambranis from him, like a cup sambrani. So I have tried this. This is very nice, and it smells really good. So it just spreads easily in your house, and you get a lot of smoke inside the house, and it makes the house feel aromatic. So you will get around 12 cups in a box, and this cost around 80 rupees. So you can just message him in WhatsApp to get to know the price. So maybe he can give you some good discounts. And also, yeah, this is there. So this is what I've got from Pankudeep, and this is very nice. I would suggest everyone to try at least one packet one box of this agarbattis, and you will get to know how it is and how beautiful the smell is when compared to other products in the market. So as I said, it is also pretty cheap, or affordable, at an affordable price. So there is no extra cost for courier, which is going to do. But as now, because of this COVID situation, he is charging for the courier to be sent. So it will be around 100 rupees, I guess, 100 or 150. I'm not sure, depending upon how fast do you need. So you can just WhatsApp him with the information, what all you need. I'll just also share the list of products what he has once at the end of this video, and also I'll put that in the description box along with his WhatsApp number. Just WhatsApp him. You will get these products delivered to your home. So I think that I just want to review this, as I said at the start of the video, because this is very nice and I love the smell. And this product is cheap when compared to any product in the market, and you get these many agarbattis for just 180 rupees. So it's just 250 grams of agarbattis. So you can just WhatsApp him if you need any clarification. I'll drop his number in the description box. So if you like my video, please hit like, subscribe, and also share to many people. And even you can just share his number to your friends, so that they can get the products from Pankudeep. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Have a great day and stay safe.